it's Phoebe. Welcome back, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of y'all are having a lovely day. So in today's video, I will be featuring a hashtag Friendship Friday, which is hosted by Dale at Not Too Shabby Chic. My lovely friend started this not too long ago, and I wanted to hop on board. And every single time that I have received Happy Mail, for some reason, it slips my mind. So here I am today, giving Dale her shout out. And if you also want to jump on board, go ahead and just use the hashtag Friendship Friday and tag Dale. And that's it. And that's all you got to do. And if you also want to see what all other videos are featured on the hashtag Friendship Friday, just hit the hashtag. And it'll take you to all of the videos if you want to go ahead and check them out. Alright, you guys, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. I also forgot to mention that with the hashtag Friendship Friday, you don't always have to be receiving Happy Mail. You can also post up a video of what perhaps you might be sending to a friend, or if you just want to shout them out, you can also use it. So, super handy. Alright, you guys, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So, I have received some Happy Mail. And this is from Felicia over at FPHandmade. And I'm very surprised. I had my oldest son go and check the mail for me, and he came back with this cute little package. And Felicia, what did you do? But anyways, if y'all have not already checked out my friend Felicia, I would suggest that y'all go and do so. Most definitely, especially if you have a die cut machine. Because not only does she show what she purchased, but she makes the most amazing, beautiful cards. She doesn't just haul them, but she shows you exactly how she used them, and so many creative ideas. She's just amazing. She's really good, and every time that I see her cards, they're just so beautiful. Don't want to miss out. But Felicia, this is super crazy to me because I also was preparing a Happy Mail for you. So for me to see this, it was like we were thinking of each other. I'm tripping. All right, let's go ahead and get right in and see what this is. So, oh my goodness, Phil, what is this? Oh goodness. Oh, what did you do, Phil? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna put that over here. Isn't that pretty? That sticker's so beautiful. I'll have to remove it and put it in my journal. Oh my gosh, she did yellow. This is beautiful. I love sunflowers. She says, hey cutie, I thought you could use these items, Felicia. Oh my gosh, look how cute. She made this for me. Oh wow. Oh, get a good look at this, you guys. Look at these pockets. She made like a little binder. Sorry, I'm dropping it. Paris and sailing. Look how cute that ephemera is. That's gorgeous. And these are art mechanic essentials, it says. Okay, I think I might have to open this. Give me just a sec. All right, so I've opened up these cuties. Fel, thank you so much for thinking about me and for having put all of this together. It's just... She's so sweet, you guys. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, look at that. Oh, cutie. Look at this. It looks so vintage. Oh, these are so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Where did you get these? Oh, look at that. Oh, these are so beautiful. Oh, that's so precious. Look at these two little sisters. Oh, look at them looking all bougie. Oh, that's gorgeous. I would totally wear this. Totally wear that. Fel, these are gorgeous. Thank you. And even this, I kept these, something similar to this, to make Kara's mini junk journal. If y'all haven't checked it out, but these would be great. Keep these, you guys, if y'all ever decide to make a mini junk journal. Thank you, Phil. Those are stunning. Oh my gosh. She sent me another one, but for time managing, I guess. I don't know what to call it, just to save us a little bit of that. She did send another one. Check this out. So it's a little pack of some ephemera, so gorgeous, but y'all can see what would have been inside of it. Isn't that gorgeous? So, so cute. And she shared some of this with me, which looks like a book page. These would be great for a junk journal. You know I will be using this for sure. How coastal looking is that? And these birds, oh look, they look like encyclopedia or dictionary pages. That's absolutely gorgeous. I'm still mind blown at the fact that we were both thinking of each other at similar times, because I was prepping something for her. Oh wow, look at this. Ooh, that's beautiful. Check this one out. You can see the little witch there. That would be perfect for in the cauldron for Halloween. And some map pages. Oh my gosh, these are so yummy, Fel. You'll have to tell me where you got this. Oh, that's beautiful. No. Oh my gosh, I was actually trying to look on Shein to get some of these, but I love these floral stickers. Thank you. Thank you so, so much. Oh my gosh, look how gorgeous these are. I use these incredibly a lot in like my crafts and stuff, so thank you for that. And she shared some more goodies with me. Look how cute she put this together, you guys. She shared some of this die cuts with me. Little swirlies. I think that's a swirly. Check these out. Look how gorgeous that is. I love the paper collection she used here. Check those out. And I did use the die cuts that she shared with me at some point in time. It's been a little bit. Look at that. I think I'm limited on time because my phone memory is filling up, so I hate to rush this because these are all so gorgeous, and she took the time to put all of this together. Ooh, look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? And she shared some more of these little beautiful die cuts with me. Aren't these amazing? Look at that. Birdcage, some more of these butterflies. Look at that flower. Oh, I love that yellow. That's so beautiful. And some of these butterfly wings. That's absolutely gorgeous. And, oh, I hate to rush this. I need to have my husband clear out some more memory for me. And she shared another. Ooh, look at that mushroom. I love mushrooms. I love the way they look, and I love the way they taste. Oh, look at this. These are gorgeous. Fel, please tell me where you got these. These are so beautiful. Oh, they remind me of Edith Holden. I have to remember to turn stuff on the back because sometimes I forget. Look at this music paper. I love incorporating music paper into all of my crafty goodies. You showered me with just absolute gorgeousness, Fel. Thank you so much for having thought of me. And I will be sending out your goodies soon as well. I'm just tripping. It's just crazy to me that I was thinking about you, and I know I said that already, but it's crazy to me. Fel, these are so gorgeous. Thank you so much. I can't thank you enough. Thank you for having thought of me. I appreciate you so much. All right, you guys, that wraps it up for me. I hope to catch y'all on the next one. Y'all take care. Bye, guys.